Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video as not a weekly recap, but a recap into this week, 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, yesterday and today. Right now it's 12:39 a.m. of Wednesday. So Tuesday is officially finished. So what happened in these 2 days, just wanted to share with you guys with this system. So you see how amazing the system is. This one, the first trade started Monday, was on the 6th, March 6th. So the game started yesterday on the 6th. This one, oil 20-minute chart, beautiful trade to the upside. And this is the system. The system is that this yellow line has to be above the black, and this indicates all the way down, turning to the upside. Price has to be making higher low, and then red candle turns blue, and I open the trade right here. See that? The trade is open. SL move to break even. And just simply writing. So this one long, this is pound Aussie for 70 pip long. I took this one, I got knocked out at break even. Then I took this one and it went up 70 pip. Buy order is right there and on the 6th, just like that. Same setup. See this one exactly by the book. This one indicator all the way down here. This one, and the price, the red candles turn into blue. And the yellow line is above the black line. So 4 conditions, they have to be there at the same time. Then I open the trade. Nothing random. Everything is by the book. This one, Aussie yen, you can see on the 7 going down for 100 pip. Sell order is right there. This one is pound Aussie. This was the trade, as I showed you a little while ago. And then this one, again, got very same day at 60 pip to the upside. Buy order is right there. And from there on, I have this one, a Euro Aussie. This was, I showed you already. And then the second for 35 pip. Actually, it was more than that, but I forgot to record the chart. And then this one, pound yen to the downside. Here you can see just yellow line is below the black. And this indicates all the way up, turning to the downside. Sell order is here. SL moves to break even plus 100 pip all the way down here. This I by mistake I left it there, so don't worry about that. Now pound USD, also 20-minute short, same story, same trade. I was just a little bit late here. The entry is late because after the news, I took some of these trades after the news, and they all were available at the same time. And by the time I take the one, open a trade, and then put the SL and this and that, I was late here, but like I opened 3 already, and then the 4th one, I think this one, and by that time the price already has gone down this much. But I said, you know what, the news is good, USD is getting strong, so it's gonna go down more. So I opened the trade anyway and got for 95 pips from here. Here pound CAD did the same thing here, all the way down for 75 pips. This one, USD yen, because of the USD news and USD getting strong, this went up. Pound USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen, they went up, right? And for those USD pairs, USD, Euro USD, pound USD, New USD, and Aussie USD, they went down with the USD strength. I'll show you the USD strength in a minute. So this one to the upside for 65 pip. Right, so these are all 10 trades in only 2 days, and you can see this 100 pip, 95 pip, 75 pip, like that. Right now, my SL is always 25 pips. I have like 3 or 4 SL hit, right? Which is even 4 SL hit is 100 pip, but you can count all the trades. It's like more than 500-600, right? Minus the 100, 4 SL hit, no problem, right? SL is always like I open the trade here and I put the SL right above this. On the short, is just the opposite. If I'm going long here, I open the trade here, my SL is right here, which always comes 25 pip. Okay, now let me show you what happened to USD today after the news. This is the US dollar index chart I made on 2nd February, that from here is gonna go up there, and from there, let me show you. So what happened to this chart? It started to go up. And then I made this chart that, yes, it's going to go up to this level and break this level. Then we will go to 1753, right? Look what happened. We start to go up, and today, 7th March is there. We broke above this level, and now we are going for 1753. That would be wave 2 finishing there, and then from there on, we're going to drop. So this is how it is based on the index charts, and I have index charts, all 7 currency pairs index charts made, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, all of the studies done. And also I have Telegram, where I constantly posting my heads up about the upcoming setups and the news events and the videos and all of that, right? Just to be like keep my subscribers informed. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, learn how to do it, use it this way, the way I'm using it. It's easy, but need to learn, to be honest with you, right? A little bit of work required. You get the system, you set up the charts. It's going to take a few hours, but it is all for good. And you will be, taking trades like this, I just showed you. So here is my website. You can go here, creativetradingsystems.com, and use the yellow button to subscribe. And if you need to learn every single thing, and if you're new in the business and you want someone to teach you every single thing about trading, forex trading, or any kind of trading, commodities, you can use this system for to trade commodities and energy or metal, anything. It's stocks, different settings, but the system is the same. So go ahead, and here, one-on-one course, right? 10-hour course over the Zoom. I personally teach, no recorded videos. I personally one-on-one teaches, right? So, and you become master of using not only this strategy, but to trade anything which you can have in MT4 platform. All right. So this is how it is. Like I said, that if you like, you go on my website, subscribe, and become part of my group and start trading the way we trade here. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.